if it's showing up on camera, but that is the ICP sensor way back there. Alrighty, so you found my video, so you probably have a 6.0 liter like I got right behind me, or you may even have a 7.3 liter, and you got the P2285 code, which is the ICP injection control pressure sensor. So on the 7.3 liter, it's a pretty easy fix. So if you hadn't seen my other video on fixing my 7.3 liter for the same issue, check out the other video. Should have a link at the end of the video for that. So this is my 6.0, got the same issue. So I'm having a little bit different symptoms though. I'm having some surging in the idle. It will randomly, like say I'm sitting at an idle and it just kind of jerks a little bit, just for a second, and then goes back to normal. The RPMs fluctuate or flutter just a little bit. So if you're having these same problems that I'm having, check this out. Part 2 is going to be the fix for this video. This is going to be the diagnosis. So you might ask, which one's better? So right here I have an Innova 3160. I think I paid about $300 for this. If you go on Amazon right now, I just checked, and it's 228 bucks. You can get this scanner right here. And this is an awesome scanner. It checks ABS. It works for pretty much any vehicle. So this is awesome to have in your toolbox. But I'm going to show you why this right here is way better than this. And believe it or not, this only costs 20 bucks on Amazon. And it's a free software program to use called Forescan. I'm not sponsored by any of this. I'm just so lucky that I found this program. And if you own a Ford vehicle, it's F-O-R-S-C-A-N, so Forescan, and it primarily works for Ford vehicles. I don't know if it works for any other make or model, but you need a OBD scanner that connects to a USB, and you got to have a laptop to use this. But I'll show you why this is superior, because it does so much more and it has a whole lot more features. This, you can only pull codes and that's it. This, you can do an injector buzz test, you can do a cylinder contribution test, so much stuff that you can do with this. You can do commands with this right from your laptop. This is a read only, you can't do any commands with. So come on inside the vehicle with me, and I'm going to show you the computer screen, what I'm looking at, and I'm also going to show you what this does and its limitations. First off, we're going to plug this scanner in right here, and it automatically comes up, connects to it. Turn the key on. Here we go. We got one code, and you can see right there, 1 of 1, and we got a code P2285. So that is an ICP sensor circuit code low, injector control pressure. So that is the main code that is causing my issue, and that's the code that we're going to be fixing in the part 2 of the video here. But this video right here is mainly concerned with diagnosing, and I wanted to show you the differences between this scanner and also basically any handheld scanner like this. I mean, you can spend $200, $300, $400 on a scanner like this that's a read only, and they're great, but they have their limitations. So let me plug this scanner in right here. So you plug that box in right there, and then it's got the USB. So I'm going to go right over to my laptop, this little button. So it's reconnecting. So it asks me if it's a 2003 or 2004, so pretty easy. Pulls it up. Turbo 6.0, 2004, and it's connecting to the TCM, PCM. So I'm just gonna wait just for a second right here. It's reading the vehicle info. It's showing the DTCs, and it's showing where the trouble codes are. So it's showing the one code, the 2285, and right here, would you like to save the info? So here we go. It's reading all these codes from all the different modules. So we got some B codes in there, we got some U codes, and let's see. So we go to DTC right here, And then we can see the TCM, which is transmission control module. It has no codes. PCM, so we have an EGR code. We don't have to worry about this code. EGR as well. And we got a glow plug code right here. We might worry about this at a later date, but this isn't the primary concern with the issue that I'm having. We got a P1000. This is just a code from the system has been cleared and it has not had a complete drive cycle. So I've already cleared the codes, and I mainly wanted to see if this code right here came right back, and it did. So P2285 ICP, or injection control pressure sensor, low. So you can see it gives you the probable causes, which is wiring harness, ICP sensor itself, PCM, or connectors for water or corrosion. So I like this feature right here. It gives you possible causes. This is just like using a dealer computer for much less money. And this is, like I said, this is ForeScan right here. This is a free program. You can see right there in the top corner, ForeScan. You can download it, type it in Google. Let's see. So the only code that we're going to worry about is this 2285 right here. So the code that we're having and the problem that we're having is we're getting some surging at idle and intermittent loss of power, and it has not had a no start on me yet. Alrighty, so I'm going to show you how to fix this in part 2, but I wanted to show you just at the end of this video real quick. This is what it's going to take to fix this, and I've also got some extra parts and pieces right here just in case. And I'm also going to fix a small oil leak that I have on this driver's side head. So I got all my parts laid out right here. So this first little kit right here, this is the O-ring to reseal the IPR valve if you have to take it loose. Good to have handy. I've heard that it makes it easier to get this sensor out, which is the ICP sensor, and this is what's causing that 2285 code and the idle surging. And this is the connector for this sensor, which you don't always have to use this, but if it's oil contaminated and it gets oil up the wires here, it's good to replace it alongside with this. And also I'm going to be fixing a small oil leak. So you can see that I got my 6.0 liter. This fits a 2003 to 2008 valve cover gasket with my tube seals, or some O-rings here, and the right here I got the bolt washers. So let's get started. Diesel Powerstroke ICP sensor is, so let's take a look. So I've got my top side creeper out. You get up here, I've already got the thickum removed, and way back here, all the way back there where that wire disappears, and up underneath the turbo behind it kind of is the end of my finger, about 6 inches right there. I don't know if it's showing up on camera, but that is the ICP sensor way back there. Here we go.